all of you who like a blend of softness and strength, here is a great classic that stands the test of time, the White Mocca. To begin with, make sure you have 1 large recipe glass, an arancino foamer, 10 grams of white chocolate, 50 centilitres of milk, whipping cream, chocolate chips, and that which will give this recipe all its strength, an arpeggio Grand Cru capsule. Firstly, start by delicately grating the white chocolate into a glass. Then, pour your milk into your arancino foamer. Once that's ready, place that milk foam into your recipe glass. Prepare an arpeggio Grand Cru. After that, mix as many chocolate chips as you want with the cream that you'd have whipped beforehand. Finish it off by placing the cream on the top of the glass. And